Hey everybody, welcome back to Universe Jarvis. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but I got a new camera finally, so I figured it was time to give this a shot and see what the quality is like on this as well, and share something with you guys new that I recently got. It actually just arrived today. So, as you can see, the shirt that I'm wearing, it's Star Wars, and I'm kind of trying to expose myself to it because I really haven't watched it very much, honestly, in, 36 years, going on 37. When I was in college, I watched the Darth stuff with Darth Maul, and I didn't really care for it too much. I thought it was really slow. So probably about 2 weekends ago, I watched the first movie in the original trilogy. I'm gonna watch the second one, and I actually kind of like it. But I have watched some of the Mandalorian series on Disney Plus, and I thought that it was pretty decent. I enjoyed it, and then of course one of the characters I think is absolutely adorable. So that leads me into what I have for you guys to show. I actually already did an unboxing video of this, but new camera, it saves in this weird file format, can't pull it off the camera, which is terrific. So here I am doing the video over again, but it's fine, it's a learning process, and I'll still get to share what I want to share with you guys originally. So here we go. So, Build-A-Bear. I had a coupon from a few weeks ago. Actually, they were gift cards. I got my niece I think it was a Paw Patrol Sky specifically, little Build-A-Bear for her birthday, and they kind of suck you and get you to buy these gift cards. You get a $10 gift card for $5. Anyhow, so I ended up with two, so I had $20, and so I was like, well, I'll just save those, and I'll get myself something. I actually have a Build-A-Bear that I got when I was in college. It's not a bear, actually, it's a monkey, but his name's Jojo. But I was like, why not? I like plushies, I like collectible things, you guys all know that. So I was doing some research trying to figure out what I want to order online from them, and I saw that they were having Baby Yoda, aka the child, come out, and so I was like, you know, I'm going to go ahead and pre-order it. So I got on the waiting list. They sent me an email probably about 2 weeks ago at this point, and I jumped right on and I ordered it. So, got the little box that it came in. You can kind of see his face poking out there. And this is a really cool plushie. So he's got on his little robe that he has on the series. He's got his ears. He's really soft. He's lovable. He's adorable. And I got, I guess, the bundle where you could have the sounds. And I probably could have left them. But still, why not? So the left paw or hand or whatever it is plays the Mandalorian theme, which is kind of cool. And the right hand gives you all the little sounds that he makes in the series. So, baby sound, so that's pretty funny. And of course it's affiliated with Disney. He's got Star Wars on his bottom little paw. So I'm super happy with this. It's nice and plush, and I'm gonna actually have him just sit out. It's going to be pretty cool, and I'm amped about it. So kind of getting exposed to Star Wars got me a nice little cool plushie, and these things, when I tell you they sold out almost immediately. I ordered them. By the time I finished my order, they actually sent an email out, I guess everybody that was on the waiting list, letting them know that they had sold out and that they would be back at some point. So I'm glad I really got mine when I did, so I'm really excited about that. Now, that's really all I have for this video. Like I said, new camera. I got a Sony CyberShot DX80 with the flip-up screen that does the kind of 180 degrees flip-up. I wanted something so I could frame shots when I'm doing videos. And it's really tiny, which kind of scares me because of the size. I'm used to something a little bit clunkier because I have my DSLR camera, which is a lot bigger. But I'm kind of excited about it so far. It's tiny. I got a 128 gig memory card to put in it, and so I'm going out of town to Atlanta this weekend, so I'll be trying to do a little bit of vlogging, kind of trying to get used to it, and I really need to get back more active in this. I say this every time that I do a video with you guys, don't I? I got to do better. I really do. But maybe this will be what I needed to be able to do that. So, that's really all I have. I hope you guys are staying safe and that you're healthy and that everybody's adjusting to this strange time. I know, like myself, everybody's ready for a sense of normalcy to be restored, which it really won't be because, you know, this isn't going anywhere anytime soon. There's not any vaccines or anything like that. So just stay safe, wear your mask, wear your gloves when you're out, and keep a distance of 6 feet. Anyhow, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe below, ask any questions and comments, and also let me know what you think of the video quality on this. Thanks guys, Universe Jarvis out.